So we paid 100 baht to come into this little park area up in the mountains in Chiang Mai. And we've just driven up the top. It was 100 baht to bring in our car. So we're just going to go for a little bit of a walk. There's something they call a Canopy walk here. See? That's just looking at the picture there. So let's go along this Canopy walk and see what's actually here. Little cafe here as well, somewhere you can get a drink. And so let's go in. Have a look. Don't know.
Ready?
Yeah?
Look down there. Look under.
Look down! Oh my god! They did build this high up. See the cafe there?
Where?
Please keep distance, 1.5 meters. Sorry honey, I can't touch you. I have to stay 1.5 meters from you. Oh no! Yeah, so it is a fair bit down. So they've built this on top of the rainforest here. And just for you guys who are scared of heights, do the glass thing. Here we go. Whoa! Oh no, I'm gonna fall. Actually, it's perspex, I think. Not sure. Or glass. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Oh, nice rainforest walk.
So beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Just the view around here is really nice. No leaning on the glass. No jumping. Sorry, honey, you're not allowed to jump off. Look at this. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I like how they've built this. It's just nice to walk on. And plus, you don't slip on it because of the holes, the way they've made it.
Wow.
What's all this say? Is that just type of plant?
This one is what's this called? This one?
Similar to Australia.
Yeah. What's?
It looks like an Australian plant.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh no, it's different. Yeah. Canopy walks. This is pretty cool. Glad I came up here now. It's going, what's going to be up here? Can't be nothing special. Just looks like a building out the front. But now I'm here, I'm going, it's actually quite peaceful. It's nice. What do you think, my dear?
Good.
Yeah, even though they say mask everywhere, I think they've still got the old COVID signs up. No one really cares whether you wear a mask. But yeah.
Now when it's just
Ah, it just smells beautiful up here. Just all fresh air.
you know, orchids.
What?
Orchids.
Orchid.
Orchids. When we come here, winter.
Ah, that all
season.
flowers in winter.
Yeah, orchid flower.
Ah,
Wow.
nice.
When we come back Bangkok, I will buy a lot orchid.
You will buy, will you?
Yep. You cannot say no. Look at that, I have 1,000. Oh my god.
This is pretty cool. I'm enjoying this. It's like it's just a walk amongst the above the trees, so you're not walking in the ground. Oh, what's this? I'll show you some sort of lizard. Look at these lizards. They look cool, little flying lizards that are around here. I want to see the flying lizards. That'd be cool. Some sort of house down there. Wonder what was there. Looks like the house has just been overgrown. Maybe they were originally tourist cabins or something, and there's a few of them down there. And they just let them overgrow while they turn this into a nature reserve. Yeah, that's really cool. It's kind of like they've literally just let nature take over the old houses down there. This is definitely worth it. And you want to know what else? They did not charge Farang prices. It was just normal price just for the car. So it didn't matter how many people, it was just one car. What do they charge?
No.
Look at where that goes. It's another bridge.
4 or 5 people for 1 car.
4 or 5 people for one car. Yeah. So it gives you all these sort of nature things along here. Little explanations on some of the sort of trees that are growing here. Other information on the area. You are now looking at Do Mon Khao Ham Long. I don't know. I've probably said it wrong.
I think it's something about maybe small waterfall.
Small waterfall.
Did you hear?
Ooh.
Wow. Wow.
Oh. That's just awesome.
Yeah. So we're doing this one. And we get to one particular one. And Josie couldn't do it. So she had to come back and get us.
I love this view up here. It's awesome.
I tried to go there and she couldn't do it.
Some people can eat this one.
Yeah, look like a grapefruit.
They're Australians or New Zealanders.
Oh, look up here. Why?
See? Yeah, that building right on the other end. Wow, this is cool.
What the go?
That's Canopy Walk. It's super cool. This is worth the entry fee. There's been some sort of landslide down there.
Yeah. Oh, waterfall.
This is a small one running down the hill.
Oh, yeah.
I love this walk amongst the rainforest. That's awesome. I love it. It's so cool. And it's nice. It's actually not that hot up here. I don't know what. Anne's looking at something. Someone's excited. No, what I was going to say, it's actually not too hot up here. There's a little bit of a cool breeze going. It's quite acceptable. Oh, we're coming to a lookout point. Lookout point. Okay, there's a dead end. Looks like at some point they were allowing people to walk in here. But let's have a look why they've blocked it off. Looks like they've just let it overgrow in there, so I'm not sure why. But maybe that was part of one of the original walks. But just look at this. Oh my god. This is how high above you're just walking amongst everything. It's just awesome. But now we're coming to the lookout point. Let's see what we can see. What's at the key lookout point? That's just awesome. I wonder what that building is way over on the hill there. It looks quite fancy.
Look like resort.
Yeah, it looks like a resort of some sort. Look at the mist in the clouds. That's so cool.
Wow. Let's go to elephant park.
Oh. Yeah, it just looks peaceful. Just listen to this. So yes, I did get a hat. See? I got it because the material's good. They're pretty solid. My other one I got from the Chuck markets, and yeah, it wasn't that expensive. But, oh, careful, honey. And was just nearly tripped. But yeah, the Canopy walks are pretty cool. Do you want a photo in front of the Canopy walk? Same? Just beautiful, the gardens here. Flowers. Apparently it's nicer in winter. And you can drive up the top here, which is handy. And it's a beautiful little garden up here.
Wow.
So apart from the Canopy walks, you've got this sort of beautiful little flower area. Guessing people like taking photos or walking amongst the gardens.
Maybe my queen. Oh no, my own queen birthday number 12 this month. Alright.
And now we've got 3 hats. I think I've got enough hats now. This one's a nice hat. It's not too bad. It's comfortable. Like the flowers.
Christmas
And they're not even flowers. They're just the colour of the leaves, the foliage.
flower. Wow. Flower.
So this Canopy walk was actually quite beautiful, and we really did enjoy the walk. But initially I thought this was all there was to the roof. This was all I was to the entry fee. But no, the gardens themselves, the Queen Sirikit Botanic Garden, if I'm pronouncing that right, and correct me if I'm wrong, is just one part of the overall gardens. And you'll see in the next video I put up that we go up the hill further into another whole garden area, which I hope you'll also enjoy. But anyway, if you like this video, hit like and please subscribe to continue to support the channel growing. And I hope you just enjoyed these beautiful sort of shots of the mountains within Chiang Mai where we were on this day. And I hope you enjoy the next video I put up too on the actual gardens.